HbA1c, and GLP type 1. That is what we'll be talking about. Bafowethu angeke ngikhulume lena. Lena ke ibhekene namajita kuphela. Uzobamba ngoline wezigebengu now. Yabona lento lena. Women are natural born expensive. Choose the one that is in your package and in your range, and keep your mouth shut and practice your poverty somewhere else. I have to be telling that. I have to be telling. The good swimmer will never complain about the deep and big swimming pool. This is a good swim. And you too. Bhukuda bafo. Qede lapho umuphi imali uma usuqedile. Stop complaining about the big swimming pool. Swimming pool sizes are not the same. Just swim and give us some money. That's all. And you complaining about the swim. Those are our sisters. They are owning swimming pools that are big. There's nothing we can do. Swimming pools are not the same shape as well. You swim or you don't swim. But make sure that when you leave, give us some money. Yeah, this is what we're doing.